We're Laura and Brian, better known as a couple of quins. We love our city of Dayton, old houses, and dogs.
We bought a fixer-upper during the pandemic and have been taking our time with the restoration.
But with winter ahead, it's time to turn up the heat.
We've officially accepted the one-room challenge to turn this house into an Airbnb in just 8 short weeks.
But can we finish on time?
The joys of home ownership.
We hope you'll follow along to see what's next.
Welcome back. We are in week 2 of the 8-week one-room challenge where Brian and I are trying to finish up the rest of the projects around the Fed to get this Airbnb ready for guests. It's a little bit, well, it's a lot more of the same this week. We're working on the windows, trying to get them finished up. The original goal was to have all the windows finished this week. I don't know that that's going to happen. We're already a little bit behind. As you know, Brian went backpacking this weekend and I was off to a really great start on, I think it was either Thursday or Friday. I worked on 4 of the window sashes, got them completely scraped and primed, and then I got sick again. I was sick for almost the whole weekend with a really bad stomach bug. I lost like 5 pounds in the weekend, if that tells you anything. So needless to say, I wasn't very productive. But thankfully, I'm feeling better. We're back at the Fed today. I am in the upstairs bedroom, scraping this window. I about have it done. I'm gonna get it cleaned up and get it primed. And Brian is in the other bedroom through there, and he's gonna start painting the windows. So we have 1 window in this bedroom, 2 in that one, 2 in the bedroom over here, and then we have the most complicated window, which is the window over the front porch that has all of the window grids. So we'll see how far we get. We're just going to keep chugging along. I know this isn't very exciting content watching us work on windows again, but it is what it is.
Last time I said I should get some gloves. And I actually had gloves. This time, I don't even have gloves. So, oh well. Oh. I lied, I do have gloves. Right here. Howdy. Oh yeah. You wanna go say hi? Okay? Go say hi?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Hi, gorgeous.
He knows he's cute. Beware.
Definitely cute.
You're doing a good job, buddy.
Yeah, you're a good guard dog. You are. You want some rubber gloves?
I actually have them right there,
Okay.
and I didn't realize they were there until after I already got my hands dirty.
What's his name?
Baron.
Baron?
Yeah.
All right, Baron. You be good. If you see Brando up there, my kitty, you can bark at him all you want.
He's anywhere where there's action. Got sick of Baron trying to run off. He's run off 3 times. Now I've put Pete's electric collar on it so I can beep him and I can vibrate him. We'll see how he handles that. Alright, second window. Put my glove on before I do this one. Beep. Let's see what that does. He didn't come back. Going for vibrate. Come on. He was freaking out. I don't think he's put 2 and 2 together and figured out that him running off was the cause of the vibrate and the beep. There it was, in my back pocket, walking around trying to figure it out. It's right there. All right. Alright, second one done. That one went way faster. Oh, let's see how it goes. If my back doesn't give out. Holy cow. Alright. Window number 3. Let's do this. Number 3's done. No progress on Baron. One more. And I'm finished for tonight. So much better that was all my cleanup. I didn't need to use the knife to scrape it. Ah! I'm doing a good job. Kicking this project's butt. All right.
Line where they cut it.
Yeah.
Definitely not a straight cut.
No.
I'm gonna get the camera for a close-up. Here's the original piece of glass that Brian just got out. You can see the edge is very uneven where it was cut.
Here.
But I think it's kind of cool that you can see their original. Well, it might just be dirt that's built up. It might not be their
With the
original cut
glazing
line.
and all that. But yeah, I mean, that cut is...
And it's wavy. I don't know if the camera can pick that up.
Probably if you go like this.
Yeah, a little bit.
But yeah, it's pretty nasty. This particular window frame has a problem. That's not good. This one's looking in pretty good condition. Still need to get the glazing on there, but gotta wait for the paint to really dry and gotta make sure that it's not gummy at all or anything like that. But we're loading up the car and we're gonna head over to the Fed because we've kind of run out of Windows stuff to do here.
Interior priming is done. First coat of paint is on. And I got the outside scraped and primed. Making progress.
Got this one next. That's gonna be some work. All of these separate pieces to reglaze. How's it going?
Pretty good. I'm almost done with this window sash, although I just realized I did something very stupid.
What's that?
I was leaning it up on this, and now I've painted the back side of this, so I can't lean it up on that anymore. Oh, but I can lean it up on that cardboard. It should be fine. It's crazy how big these windows are. I mean, this is huge.
Yeah, it is.
You don't see windows this big much anymore. You might have 2 or 3 together that make the windows seem larger, but to have an actual window pane, one single window pane this large.
Yeah. And to have the modern windows have like really thin frames and everything, makes it feel like the glass is a lot bigger. But
no, actually, it's the opposite. New windows have wider frames. These are actually very thin because that was one of the other reasons why I didn't want to replace the windows.
I guess I'm just thinking of like modern style.
Like contemporary.
Yeah,
or
contemporary. Like
commercial. Commercial does aluminum frame and they do thinner.
Right. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking of. But yeah.
Uh-huh. Yep. Mm-hmm. Sure
I
you
was.
were.
Well, I was thinking about the back deck.
Oh yeah, that was one of our wild ideas. Was like a 2-story room addition, Florida room with a bathroom. That sounds really insane saying that out loud, but I promise it would have been cool if we had, an extra $100,000 laying around.
Yeah. I mean, everybody's got that, right?
All right, to face the mosquitoes. Let's go, Baron.
Bye. I'm staying in here.